I heard the words, train up a child in the way he should go. But all I felt was discipline, a little heart not ready yet to know. I thought I didn't need the shaping, I thought my ways were already right. But you were planting seeds of wisdom, even when I didn't see your light. Now I see your gentle purpose, not a threat but a love and truth. You are forming something holy in the heart of a growing youth. Train up a child in the way he should go, lead them in grace, teach them your hope, model your love in the everyday moments. Show them the path where wisdom flows. When they're grown and walking their road, your word will rise and call them home. You are faithful, you are sovereign, Lord, you are with us as we train up a child. Jesus showed us how to lead, walking close with your disciples' lives, not just correcting but guiding gently, teaching truth as you open their eyes. So we listen, talk and walk beside them. We celebrate the gifts you placed within every child with a different journey, every heart with a story you begin. We sow the seeds but you bring the harvest, we shake the clay but you breathe the life. We trust your timing, trust your mercy, you hold their days within your sight. Train up a child in the way he should go, lead them in grace, teach them your hope, model your love in the everyday moments. Show them the path where wisdom flows. And when they're grown and walking their road, your word will rise and call them home. You are faithful, you are sovereign, Lord, you are with us as we train up a child. Some wonderful, some stay close by, some choose your ways after years gone by. But your word never returns empty, your promise stands through every night. So we pray and keep on trusting, we surrender what we can't control. You are working in their story, you are shepherding their soul. Train up a child in the way he should go, lead them in grace, teach them your hope, not just behavior but heart transformation, shaping